Wow, I am very impressed that you managed to write your CVC words this morning. I think you're ready for the next challenge. So we're going to have a go at writing some harder words. First one we're going to look at is this. Okay, the word is rain. Now the tricky part of the word rain is the A sound. Do you know what two letters go together to make the A sound? Think carefully. I'm going to tell you this one. It's an A and I that make the A sound. Okay, have a go at writing this at home. A-N, rain. Keep pausing the video to allow your children to write the word at home. Next one, it's boat. B-O-T, boat. The tricky part is the O sound. B-O-T. Can you write it? What's this? Do you know what it is? It's a shell. Okay, let's segment and blend. Sh-e-l, shell. Can you write the word shell at home? The last one for today, you've worked really hard. Owl. Ow. Owl. Can you write the word? Give yourselves a big pat on the back. I am very, very proud of you. Well done, reception. I'll see you soon.